Hi, in this video let me show you how to install the ink cartridges in your Epson WorkForce WF-7820. Step number one is to pull up this top panel. So on the side here you're going to notice there is a notch where you can put your fingers. There is a similar one on the other side. Pull up, and this needs to be done when the printer is turned on. Because as you notice, the carriage where we have to install the cartridges will be moving around. So wait a few seconds. I would say after 20 seconds, the carriage will stop on the right side over here. You see, there's an arrow simply telling you it has stopped the right way. You're going to take this blue lid and you're going to pull it on. Okay, open it up. It's very important to install the cartridges in the right order. So we have black, cyan, magenta, and yellow. Let me open them up. Once you pull an ink cartridge, before inserting it, we have to remove the yellow label. So rip it off. The ink cartridge name will be on the top, and what you need to do is to grab it this way, so you should be able to see what's on the top and be able to read it. Since this is the black ink cartridge, it's the first one, we're gonna drop it in its spot like this, and then there is a circle here where it says to push. Push until it clicks. Then let's do the next one. This is the cyan. I'm gliding it, and then I'm pushing on the white circle. And I'll do the same thing for the other one. Before doing this, let me just show you how to replace an ink cartridge. So in the future, when one of them is empty, you're gonna stick your finger on the top and you're gonna push towards you like this. It will unlatch the cartridge and you'll be able to glide it out. The latch is on the top, and yeah, you need to push it to unlock it. So let me continue. Okay, once all of them are installed, don't forget to close the blue lid. And then to close this top lid, you're going to push it down slowly. Here we go. If it's the first time you're setting up this printer, the printer will notice you have input the ink, and it will take about 4 minutes so that the ink is initialized. So wait 4 minutes. Otherwise, I'll put links towards Amazon in case you want to buy replacement ink cartridges for this printer. Check my Amazon links. You support my channel, and I really appreciate. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.